Welcome to Pebbles channel. Today in French we are going to practice what we have learnt. So we are going to practice by trying to do some exercises. By doing these exercises, it will be like a recap for us, and also we can see in which areas we are lacking and we can try to improve ourselves. So before beginning the exercises, let us go through the verbs that we already know. So we will begin with the ER verb. You all know the conjugation for the ER verb. To conjugate an ER verb, we will remove ER and replace it with certain endings. I am sure you remember it. So let us try to conjugate some of the ER verbs. So I will give you two examples. The verbs parler. And what does parler mean? It means to speak. And the next word is habiter, which means to live. So we are going to conjugate these two ER verbs. So first let us start with parler. The subject is je, and for an ER verb we remove ER and add E. Je parle. For tu we add ES. For il we add E, and for L we add E. So I hope you remember this. Even if you don't, this will be like a recap. So for an ER verb, we will remove ER from the infinitive and add E, ES, E, E. And do you remember what is the next ending? Yes, it is ONS. Nous parlons. ONS. Then for vous, it is EZ. Vous parlez. And for il, it is ENT. Il parle. And for L also it is ENT. So I hope you remember this conjugation. Je parle, tu parles, il parle, elle parle, nous parlons, vous parlez, il parle, elle parle. So this is an ER verb. So the conjugation was simple. Now, shall we try to conjugate the next word? Moving on to our next verb, habiter. So since we already know the conjugation, it is easy. So try doing this along with me. Je. We remove ER and add E. However, here we can see that there is a vowel clash, and you know what to do. We replace E with an apostrophe. J'habite. Then for tu, habite, we add ES. For il, we add E. For L also, the ending is the same. Next, for nous, it is habitants. We add ONS. For vous, it is habiter. We add EZ. For il, it is il habite. We add ent. And for L also, it is the same. So did you get it all right? We conjugated the ER verbs. So what are the rules to conjugate the ER verbs? We will remove E from the infinitive and add E, ES, E, ONS, EZ, ENT and ENT. So we learnt two verbs today, parler and habiter. So now we will move on to the next verb, which will not be an ER verb. So the conjugation will be different. So are you ready to learn the next verb?